Hey, Misty with Behold Crafty Creations. Today we're going to be making a sign from Dollar Tree, and we're going to do it with lemons. The supplies needed would be a Dollar Tree sign, printed lemon image, white Waverly chalk paint, Mod Podge, and a gold paint pen. Okay, so first we're going to take this little sign that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It's cute, but I wanted to change it to lemons. We're going to take some Waverly white chalk paint with our paintbrush. Then we're going to be using Mod Podge and this little printout that I printed on the computer on regular printer paper. So first we're going to paint it with the chalk paint. Now we're going to go in with this gold metallic paint pen, and we're going to go around the edges to kind of make it look farmhouse. Now we're going to be using Mod Podge, and then we're going to adhere the image to the picture. Now you're going to lay the picture down, and you're going to put a top coat of the Mod Podge to seal it and make it stay, and it'll be waterproof as well in case some water gets dropped on there. And this is your finished project.